Welcome to Activity 7. In this activity, we're going to be developing fluency, making the two-part bonds of 5. You will need 2 of each bond block from 1 to 5, placed in a jumbled pile within reach of both players. The aim of the activity is to be the first player to fill their wall with bond blocks. To get started, place your plastic spinner so as the centre of the spinner lines up. Sorry about the reflected light and glare. Player 1 goes first. When they spin, I'm just going to, for the example, use 1. They make this with their hand. And when they hold up the fingers, they then say the two-part bond. 1 and 4 is 5. They then pick up the blocks and they place them on the frame in the matching row. Player 2 has a turn. They spin the 4, so they make the 4 and hold up those fingers and then say it. 4 and 1 is 5. When they place the blocks, even though they spun 4 and 1, you can swap the order of the blocks to place them on that row. Neither of these players will be able to place 4 and 1 or 1 and 4 again. If player 1, when they had their turn, spun the 4 again, they just make it with their hands, say it, 4 and 1 is 5, but they don't place any blocks. I want to model what happens if you spin a 5 or a 0. If you spin 5, you make 5 and say 5 and 0 is 5. You can't pick up 0, but you can pick up the 5 block and place that. Alternatively, if you spin 0, you make 0 and say 0 and 5 is 5. Again, you can't pick up the 0, but you can place the 5 there. Play until someone's filled their wall, or alternatively, you can set a timer for 2 minutes, and whoever's placed the most number of blocks in that time wins.